Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the ultimate guide to VPNs, your gateway to online privacy and security. Introduction. In today's digital age, online privacy and security have become paramount concerns. With the constant threat of cyber attacks, data breaches, and invasive surveillance, individuals and businesses alike are seeking effective ways to protect their online activities. One powerful tool that has gained widespread popularity is the Virtual Private Network or VPN. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore what VPNs are, how they work, and why they are essential for safeguarding your online presence. Table of contents. Number 1. Understanding VPNs. What is VPN? How do VPNs work? Type of VPNs, remote access versus site to site. Number 2. Why use a VPN? Online privacy, shielding your data, security, protecting against cyber threats, access to restricted content, overcoming censorship, anonymity, concealing your identity online, choosing the right VPN, free versus paid VPNs, features to look for in a VPN service, VPN protocols, PPTP, L2TP, OpenVPN or more. Server locations, global coverage. Number 4. Setting up and using a VPN. Installation and configuration. Connected to a VPN server. Tips for optimizing your VPN experience. Number 5. VPN and your devices. VPN on desktop computers, VPN on mobile devices, VPNs for routers. Number 6. VPN and streaming services. Bypassing geo restrictions, enjoying streaming content securely. Number 7. VPN and torrenting. Safe and anonymous torrenting. VPNs for P2P file sharing. Number 8. VPN and online gaming. Reducing lag and improving security. Gaming with a VPN pros and cons. Number 9. Risks and limitations. Potential drawbacks of using a VPN. VPN logs and privacy concerns. Number 10. Best practices for VPN usage. Regularly update your VPN software. Use strong unique password. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Educate yourself on VPN laws in your region. Number 11. Frequently asked questions. Are VPNs legal? Can a VPN be traced? Do I need a VPN for everybody browsing? Number 12. Conclusion. Recap of the importance of VPNs. Taking control of your online privacy and security. In this guide, we will delve into each of these topics to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of VPNs. Whether you are a wise novice looking to get started or an experienced user seeking advanced insights, this guide will serve as your ultimate resource for everything VPN related. Stay tuned to unlock the power of VPNs and secure your online presence like never before. Virtual Private Network VPNs offer numerous advantages, making them a valuable tool for individuals and businesses. Here are some key advantages of using VPN. Number 1, enhanced online privacy. VPNs encrypt your internet connection, making it difficult for hackers, ISPs, internet service providers, and even government agencies to monitor your online activities. This helps protect your sensitive data from prying eyes. Number 2, secure data transmission. VPNs use encryption protocols to secure data as it travels between your device and the VPN server. This ensures that your data remains confidential and cannot be intercepted or tampered with during transit. Number 3, bypass geo restrictions. VPN allows you to access websites, streaming services, and online content that might be restricted or blocked in your region. By connecting to a server in different locations, you can bypass geo restrictions and enjoy a more open internet. Number 4, Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi security. When you connect to public Wi-Fi networks, in coffee shops or airports, your data is vulnerable to cyber attacks. VPN provide a secure tunnel for your data, protecting it from potential threats on. Thank you very much for watching our video. For further videos, please like and subscribe our channel so that you can enjoy more videos. Thanks once again.